Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to copy the link or URL to Discord messages or posts. So basically what you want to do first is go to your user settings, go to advanced right here, and make sure that your developer mode is turned on. So once you have turned this on, you just need to click on escape, go to a server. So let's say you want to copy this one. Hey everyone. You just need to right click on it. Right click or click on the three dots here. And what you want to do now is click on the copy message link. Once you're done with that, you can just paste it anywhere you want and it will basically redirect it to that particular message. So there you go. So make sure that the part that you will share is of course a public channel or category, so that it will basically go to that particular channel and everyone can see it. So if you click on it, it will redirect there. So that's it guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.